Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video, you are going to see some important questions from genetics. So let's see the questions one by one. This is the first question. In humans, red-green color blindness recessive and sex-linked, while albinism is recessive and autosomal. A marriage between two homozygous parents, a normal-visioned albino woman and a color-blind and a normally pigmented man, will produce the children. The options are: first option is who are all phenotypically normal visioned and have normal pigmentation. Second option, half of whom are colorblind and the other half having normal vision and all of them having normal pigmentation. Option C, all of whom have normal vision but half of whom are albino and the other half with normal pigmentation. Option 4. Of four categories: normal visioned pigmented, normal visioned albino, colorblind pigmented, colorblind albino, all in the equal proportions. So, for this question, the correct answer is the first one, who are all phenotypically normal visioned and have normal pigmentation. So, I have explained this question in the previous video in detail. For full explanation of this question, I have made a video earlier on genetics place. Please watch that video. I have explained this question in that video in detail. Okay, please go through that video. Let's see the second question. Chromosome maps were constructed by. Options are T.H. Morgan, Bateson, Mendel, Punnett. The correct answer is T.H. Morgan. Let's see the third question. The most widespread but distinctive to cytogenetic process involved in speciation of higher plants is. Options are interspecific hybridization, autosomal mutation, polyploidy, apomixis. The correct answer is polyploidy. So, polyploidy results in instant speciation because the new polyploid may be immediately isolated reproductively from its parents, and also it provides new genetic material for the evolution. So that's why polyploidy involved speciation of higher plants. That is the correct answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. The term genetics coined by the scientist. Options are Morgan, Bateson, Mendel, Johansson. The correct answer is Bateson. Let's see the next question. In pseudoallelism, genes are functionally allelic and structurally non-allelic. Structurally as well as functionally allelic. Structurally allelic, functionally non-allelic. Structurally as well as functionally non-allelic. So, pseudoallelism is a state in which two genes with similar characters are located close to one another on a same chromosome. They are located closely on a same chromosome. That's why they are genetically linked. Hence, they inherit together always. Okay, so that's why the answer is functionally allelic and structurally they are non-allelic. So linkage is useful to maintain. Options are genetic stability, genetic variability, heterosis, inbreeding depression. The correct answer is genetic stability. So linkage maintains the genetic stability. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding linkage of genes. Two genes are said to be linked when they fail to show independent assortment. The strength of the linkage is determined by the distance between the two genes in a chromosome. The strength of the linkage is directly proportional to the distance between two genes. Okay. Here options are given. 1, 2, 3 are correct. 1, 2 are correct. 2, 3 are correct. 1, 3 are correct. So you have to remember linkage is a phenomenon where the closer genes of a chromosome, they inherit together intactly, that means they do not tend to separate during the gamete formation. They do not tend to separate during the gamete formation. Okay, that's why they do not show independent assortment. So in this way the correct answer is 1, 2 are correct. Okay, so let's see the next question. Mutations were first observed by the scientist Hugo de Vries in. Options are Lathyrus odoratus, Tradescantia, Snapdragon, Oenothera lamarckiana. The correct answer is Oenothera lamarckiana. So Hugo de Vries for the first time observed mutations in a plant Oenothera lamarckiana. So next question. Which one of the following statements correctly defines the term recessive epistasis? Okay, options are a situation in which one allele does not allow its alternative form to express, a situation in which a gene pair in homozygous recessive condition marks the effect of one or both the members of another gene pair, a situation in which the dominant allele of one gene pair masks the effect of both members of another gene pair, a situation is which the dominant allele of the first gene pair masks the effect of both the members of the second gene pair, and the dominant allele of the second gene pair masks the effect of both the members of the first gene pair. For this, the correct answer is second one. A situation in which a gene pair in homozygous recessive condition masks the effect of one or both the members of another gene pair. Okay, recessive gene does not allow the expression of other non-allelic gene, that is called recessive epistasis. Okay, so for better understanding of this topic, I have made videos on interaction of genes. You will understand better by watching those videos. Okay, please go through that videos also. Okay, so let's see the next question. Loss of a part of the chromosome is called as. Options are deletions, duplications, inversions, translocations. The correct answer is deletions. Loss of a part of a chromosome is nothing but deletion. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statements regarding linkage. The linked genes are located on the same chromosome. Crossing over between linked genes is rare. Linkage genes are always inherited together. Linkage affects the percentage of homozygosity following hybridization. So options are given. 1, 3 are correct. 1, 2 are correct. 2, 3, 4 are correct. 1, 3, 4 are correct. For this question, 1 and 2 statements are correct. The linked genes are located on the same chromosome. Crossing over between the linked genes is rare because the linked genes they do not tend to separate during gamete formation. That's why the first two statements are correct regarding the linkage. Let's see the next question. Who is the father of genetics? Options are Morgan, Mendel, Bateson, Johansson. Correct answer is Mendel. Let's see the next question. Adventive polyembryony occurs in. Options are Allium, Citrus, Polygonum, Cisalpinia. The correct answer is Citrus. Let's see the next question. Who is considered as father of human genetics and biochemical genetics? Options are Mendel, Bateson, Hugo de Vries, Garrard. Okay, so Garrard he considered as father of human genetics. He discovered first human metabolic genetic disorder alkaptonuria. So that is black urine disease. Okay. So let's see the next question. Expression of a recessive phenotype in a deletion heterozygote is due to. Options are pseudodominance, partial dominance, superdominance, codominance. The correct answer is pseudodominance. Okay, so the sudden appearance of a recessive phenotype in a progeny, it is actually due to deletion of a dominant gene. Okay, so when there is no dominant gene, the recessive gene will expresses. Okay, in this only a single recessive allele is present. Why? Because a single recessive allele only present, then it will be expressed. It is also called as hemizygous condition or deletion heterozygote. That is called pseudodominance. Okay. So let's see the next question. Cystic fibrosis is a uh, options are a dominant autosomal disease, a recessive autosomal disease, a sex-linked disease, a dominant allosomal disease. So, cystic fibrosis is an inherited disease that damages the lungs and digestive system. Okay, so that damages the lungs and digestive system. So cystic fibrosis causes body fluids to become thick. It is a recessive autosomal disease. The correct answer is recessive autosomal disease. Okay, so let's see the next question. In Drosophila, genes for maleness are located on. Options are autosomes, allosomes, X chromosome, Y chromosome. The correct answer is autosomes. In Drosophila, maleness genes, the genes responsible for maleness, they are located on autosomes. So let's see the next question. A, B, O blood groups are discovered by Landsteiner and they are discovered on the basis of, options are antibodies present on plasma, antigens present on RBC, antigens present on WBC, antibodies present on RBC. The correct answer is antigens present on RBC. According to antigens present on RBC, the ABO blood groups are discovered by the Landsteiner and Landsteiner. Okay. So let's see the next question. In bacteria, sex determined by, options are F factor, X chromosome, Y chromosome and autosomes. The correct answer is F factor, which determines the sex in bacteria. Let's see the next question. Eugenics was coined by, options are Galton, Gerard, Morgan, Mendel. The correct answer is Galton. Let's see the next question. Androsome in human being is, options are Y chromosome, X chromosome, autosomes, allosomes. The correct answer is Y chromosome. Let's see the next question. In quantitative inheritance, F2 ratio obtained in a dihybrid cross is, options are 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1, 1 is to 4 is to 60, 6 is to 4 is to 1, 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 4. The correct answer is third one, that is 1 is to 4 is to 6 is to 4 is to 1 is the dihybrid ratio of quantitative inheritance. So let's see the next question. Y-linked genes are also called as, options are Hollandric genes, intersex, cytoplasmic genes, paternal genes. The correct answer is Hollandric genes. The genes found only on Y chromosome are called as Hollandric genes. Let's see the next question. Human height is an example for, options are polygenic inheritance, pseudo alleles, false alleles, duplicate alleles. The correct answer is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means 3 or more genes govern the single character. Okay, that's why in human height different heights have been represented. Okay, so let's see the next question. The term gene is coined by, options are Mendel, Bateson, Johansen, Waldeyer. The correct answer is Johansen. Let's see the next question. Color blindness is an sex-linked inheritance, while red color blindness is called as, options are protonopia, hemophilia, deuteranopia, heterophilia. The correct option is protonopia. The correct answer is protonopia, whereas green color blindness is called as deuteranopia. Okay, let's see the next question. High temperature induces maleness and low temperature induces femaleness in, options are Crepidula mollusk, agama lizards, bug protein, chlamydomonas. The correct answer is agama lizards. Okay, their high temperature induces maleness and low temperature induces the femaleness. Maternal inheritance in male sterility in maize was discovered by. Options are Rhodes, Ruth Sagar, William, Correns. The correct answer is Rhodes. Let's see the next question. Feather color of Andalusian fowls is an example for. Options are codominance, incomplete dominance, complementary genes, sex linked inheritance. The correct answer is incomplete dominance is the correct answer. Particulate theory of inheritance proposed by. Options are Mendel, Bateson, Johansen, Morgan. The correct option is Mendel. The correct option is Mendel. According to Fisher, Rh antigen is controlled by how many closely linked genes? How many closely linked genes? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 3. Vitamin B6 synthesizing genes obtained from Neurospora crassa by. Options are Bateson and Punnett, Beadle and Tatum, Morgan and Castle, Jacob and Monod. The correct answer is Beadle and Tatum. Linkage was first observed in. Options are Lathyrus odoratus, Pisum sativum, Enothera, Antirrhinum majus. The correct answer is Lathyrus odoratus. Linkage was first observed in Lathyrus odoratus. Next question. One gene, one enzyme concept was proposed by the scientists. Options are Bateson and Punnett, Beadle and Tatum, Morgan and Castle, Jacob and Monod. The correct answer is Beadle and Tatum. Let's see the next question. Cytoplasmic inheritance discovered by. Options are Rhodes, Ruth Sagar, Williams, Correns. The correct answer is Correns. Let's see the next question. Genetic disorder in Africans which reduces oxygen uptake. Options are sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria, protonopia. The correct answer is sickle cell anemia. Let's see the next question. In which of the following is considered as unit of function? Options are cistron, muton, recon. Correct answer is cistron. Let's see the next question. Besides the nucleus, which of the following cell organelles play an important role in hybrid vigor? Options are mitochondria, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, plastid. So among these, we have to select the correct options, correct statements. Okay. So 1 and 2 correct, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 4. 4 options given. From them we have to choose the correct option. For this, the correct option is 1 and 4. Mitochondria and plastid is the correct. Why? Because mitochondria and chloroplasts are having extranuclear genomes or DNA. They are capable of showing cytoplasmic inheritance. There are also genes present. They are also expressing the genes. Okay. So that's why mitochondria and plastid 1 and 4 are the correct options. So introns or split genes were identified by. Options are Mendel, Gilbert, Johansen, Morgan. The correct answer is Gilbert. Let's see the next question. Ribozyme was first discovered from rRNA isolated from ciliated protozoa Tetrahymena thermophila. Options are Mendel, Bateson, Johansen, Thomas Keck. The correct answer is Thomas Keck. Let's see next question. A woman with 47 chromosomes due to 3 copies of 21st chromosome is characterized by. Options are Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome. The correct answer is Down syndrome. Okay, there the 47 chromosome present in 3 copies. Okay, that means 21st chromosome present in 3 copies. So a woman with having 47 chromosomes totally, one chromosome extra present in Down syndrome woman. Okay, let's see the next question. The RNA segment catalyzing the splicing reactions is called. Options are introns, spliceosome, ribozyme, exons. The correct answer is spliceosome. Let's see the next question. A dihybrid tall plant bearing yellow flowers was crossed with a dwarf plant bearing white flowers. The percentage of the progeny is expected to be homozygous tall bearing yellow flowers. Okay, so this is the question. We have to identify the ratio of homozygous tall bearing yellow flowers. Okay, let's see the cross. Okay, so observe carefully. So the parents given are capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. Parents already given in the cross. So this is nothing but F1. Second parent is small t, small t, small y, small y. First parent is tall and yellow flowered plant. Second parent is dwarf and white flowered plant. So this is actually test class. Why? Because the F1 individual, this is the F1 individual going to cross with the recessive parent. This is actually a test cross. Okay, so the question is, so what are the percentage of progeny is expected the homozygous tall bearing yellow flowers? Okay, so from this 4 gametes will be derived, from this only one gamete will come. Okay, so when observe the test cross ratio, it is always 1:1:1:1. Okay, so that's why homozygous tall parents like capital T, capital T, capital Y will come with this genotype. One plant will come with this genotype. So that's why the percentage of individuals coming with tallness and bearing yellow flowers is 25%. Is 25%. Okay, so 25% is the correct answer. So 25% is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. Taxonomic significance of allopolyploids is because of. Options are allopolyploids are produced by interspecific hybridization. They show gigantism due to increase in cell size. They exhibit physical vigor, physiological vigor. They are showing hybrid vigor. The correct answer is allopolyploids are produced by interspecific hybridization. That is the correct answer. Okay, so they are produced by the hybridization of two different species. That is nothing but interspecific hybridization. Okay, so that's why they are having taxonomic significance. Next question. In females, bar bodies are observed in. Options are some neutrophils, fibroblasts, buccal muscosa, all of these. For this, the correct answer is all of these. Okay, bar bodies are observed in neutrophils, fibroblasts, and also buccal muscosa. Okay, so let's see the next questions. Leon's hypothesis is connected with. Options are number of bar bodies, number of X chromosomes, number of Y chromosomes, number of SAT chromosomes. The correct answer is Leon's hypothesis is connected with the number of bar bodies. Okay, so bar body is a heterochromatinized inactive chromosome. Okay, generally females have 2 X chromosomes. In somatic cells of females, in the case of somatic cells, one of the 2 X chromosomes, one is inactivated by ionization. This inactive X chromosome is called as bar body. The inactive X chromosome is called as bar body in somatic cells. Let's see the next question. In Bonilia, if the larvae develop free in water, they become. Options are females, males, metamales, metafemales. The correct answer is females. Okay, if larvae develop in um, free in water, they become females. Okay. So let's see the next question. Criss-cross inheritance shown by. Options are X-linked genes, Y-linked genes, cytoplasmic inheritance, allosomes. The correct answer is X-linked genes. They are showing criss-cross inheritance, okay, or sex-linked inheritance. Let's see the next question. Male sterility lines first time observed or discovered in. Options are maize, wheat, jowar, rice. The correct answer is maize. Let's see the next question. Hemophilia A is due to the deficiency of. Options are Christian factor or factor 9, factor 8, factor 5, factor 10. The correct answer is factor 8. Okay, due to deficiency of factor 8, hemophilia A disease will come.